Welcome back to Nemvolic. This time, we'll be abusing the infinite rocket pistol. Just stay down. That's all. It's not necessary. None of this is. And this person up here. Headshot. Oh look. Am I supposed to be scared? Blood dripping from the goat. Ooh. Try to dodge me. Nemvolic? I don't think so, buddy. And these people need to back up. I'm just trying to live over here. Got my lightsabers. Shiz. Back up! Back up! You don't know Stitch and his lightsaber powers. Back, demon. Oh shit, the Soneras. The Soneras. Put them away. No. Not today. Fuck that. Yes, you remember me? Big fella? Well, I'll get some beautiful explosives just for you. Oh yes, the blind. And then I'll reload my rocket pistol. But no. Back up! What I say? I'm my village. You don't know this place. You don't belong here. Oh, just down. How many shots is it gonna take? The hell? What the f? The fuck? The hell did he go? My man's disappeared. Oh, allowed. Ah, yes. But get all temper changes. No. Cut them out. Oh! You! No. Try to sneak up on me like that. No one sneaks up on Nemvolic. Or Stitch. Or Nemvolic. Or Stitch! I don't know, man. Back up. This is funny. Look at him fly. Oh, no. Back up. Oh, what I saw? This stuff is crazy. Oh. Hold. Stronghold, man. I'm good. I'm not really here to play around, you know. I'm here to, you know, have fun and watch y'all fly off the edges. Oh, Baba! Oh, there's more. Baba! This is funny as hell. Oh. No.
I don't give a shit about your family drama.
What's it? Oh. You're still alive. What's that you? Oh, bad all the stuff. Oh. What's your mind for? You're still alive? Oh. Damn. Oh. That's funny. Beat. Well, up. My lightsaber out. No. I don't know me. My lightsaber powers. That's it. Uh-oh. Not getting angry. So am I! You're taking forever to die! My goodness! Just stop. Just stop. Thank you. You too! No. What I saw? What I saw? My money. No. Just robbing and losing stuff, you know? Getting all the stuff I can for this, Heisenberg fight. Dude! Yeah, what's wrong with you, bro? You okay? Seemed like you had a seizure there for a second. Okay, so what I've done is gathered all the money and combinables that I could throughout the game. And I'm pretty sure I've gotten all of them. I'm just selling them all now to see how much money Nemvolic and Stitch can make. We're already at 50 something. Jesus, it keeps going. By the way, you see the bar on the right? Yeah, that we still got a bit. Yeah, it could be quite a bit.
Oh, the assemblage of life and
gosh.
machine. I can feel Lord Heisenberg's essence.
Whoa, woman, whoa. Look, see, that is not how I am, woman.
To ensure I never see your face.
No. You see this pistol? It has infinite ammo and the fire rate of a trigger finger. So die. Please. Okay, yeah. You've seen it, I've seen it, we've seen it like 1,000 times. Basically what I want to get to are the challenges that I did throughout this last boss fight. I did the whole entire game with the lightsaber and without crafting, and the last one is basically saying that I did 70 challenges. So I hope you enjoyed.